Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today on Monday. Yes, new week, new puzzles. Monday, September the 4th, 2023. Two regular puzzles we have here: the Jigsaw Sudoku and the Medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two Tectonics, aka Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them, 4 of them, I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, it's number 10. Yeah, 10 times in a row, Max Verstappen has won the Formula 1. Yes, champion, a champion. Yeah, a record. Yes, taking the record of Vettel, I believe. All right. Number 7035. Yeah, 7035. Let me position the camera first. This one will be 7035. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard one says 24, 25. This one has 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place level 6 should be there. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 place level the same should be here. Oh, there is here 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place level the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in the second column. Number 3. Alright. 3, 9, 6. Then. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 place level 6 should be here. Oh, there, we see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 6, 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, no need 2 place level 6 should be here or there. See a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 9. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, no need 2 place level 6 should be here or there. See a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no need 2 place level 6 should be here or there. See a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 8 should be there. 7. And now. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. Yeah, 7 in this column, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 3 and 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place left on 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 in these, a 3 box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this last row, 1 in the row above from that row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. Well, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Cannot continue with the 9. 1 box left in this row for the 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Alright, then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Two boxes left in this big square front of us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square front of us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place left on the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the bar. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square in front of us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square in front of us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square in front of us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well. 2 stars? Don't think so. I think it's a 1 star or a 0 stars puzzle. Because we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.